Dear students, today we will discuss about effect of ionization energy on different properties of elements. We will discuss three important properties. First one is metallic and non-metallic character. Second one is oxidizing and reducing power of the elements. And third property is the acidic and basic nature of oxides and hydroxides. So we will be starting with the first one, that is metallic and non-metallic character. I have written in square brackets to remember the property. Always remember, lower the IP, metallic character. Lower the ionization energy, reducing property. Lower the ionization energy, basic nature of hydroxides and oxides. This is written over here just to remember. Now why it is so? So I have written here low ionization energy, metallic character. Now we have to explain why the elements having low IP are metallic in nature. We know that metal have the tendency to lose the electrons easily. And if the ionization energy is low, then that metal will lose the electron easily. This is the reason why the elements having lower ionization energy are metallic in nature. And the elements with higher ionization energy will be non-metallic in nature. And this is the reason why sodium, lithium, that is the elements on the left hand side of the periodic table having lower ionization energy are metals. Whereas the elements which are present on the right hand side are having the highest ionization energy and are non-metal. So one thing is to be remembered, that if the IP is low, that is ionization energy is low, then that element will lose the electron easily and will have the metallic character. Hence lower IP favors the metallic character. It is very easy to understand. Now second important property is the oxidizing and reducing power of the elements. Now we know that what is oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but the removal of electron. And therefore the elements having the lower ionization energy, more easily the element will lose the electron and will get oxidized itself. And therefore as oxidation is possible easily, it will act as a reducing agent. Because it will get oxidized, it will lose electron, and that electron will be used for the reduction of some other elements. So lower the ionization energy, more easily the element will lose the electrons, and we know that removal of electron is oxidation. Hence the element will undergo oxidation easily. Therefore it will reduce the other elements easily. Hence the elements with lower ionization energy are good reducing agents. And the elements with higher ionization energy will be good oxidizing agents. Again, the elements which are present on the left hand side of the periodic table are good reducing agent because their ionization energy is low. Now third important property is acidic and basic nature of oxides and hydroxides. Again the same principle is here. Lower the IP, basic nature of oxides and hydroxides will be there. See here, we know that sodium, potassium, lithium, calcium, these are on the left hand of the periodic table having the lower ionization energy, and therefore their hydroxides or oxides are basic in nature. See here, NaOH is a well-known base. Calcium oxide is basic in nature. Similarly, you can write over here that lithium hydroxide, LiOH, no doubt it will be also in having basic character because all these elements are having the lower ionization energy, and therefore their oxides and hydroxides will be basic in nature.